Hey guys, and welcome back to another meal prep day. I'm just gonna quickly go over what I prepped this morning, prepped for the week to bring to work, and it's mostly breakfast lunches. And let's get to it. So we'll just go to the fridge. It's all in here. I don't feel like dragging it all out, so I'll just show you one by one what I've got. So for breakfast, I am having, let me get this out one at a time for you. Oops. Kale and eggs and a slice of turkey bacon, parsley on top. So this week I'm having, it's a cup of kale. The eggs is 1 full egg and then 4 egg whites. And that is because I've been really just tracking my macros, seeing where I'm at. Lennon's sick. And trying to stay on track with those, and I noticed that I was getting lots and lots of fats in, but not enough proteins. So this week I went with 1 full egg and then 4 egg whites. Oof. Don't mind that. So that's what is in all of these, and I just take one of these to work, grab and go. There's a whole line of them there, you can see, ready to go. Beside that is my chia seed pudding. So this is 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, a cup of silk coconut milk, that stuff right there. It's the unsweetened kind, vanilla flavored. And then half a cup of frozen berries. I just use the mixed berry co-op brand. It's like strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, and cinnamon. And throw that all in there, shake it up. I shake it a few times until these start to sort of like soak up some of the milk so they don't all just settle at the bottom. But yeah, now it's pretty much good to go. So I'll just eat that cold too the next day. And then I'm also taking just this thing of spinach because I can make a salad at work, and so that's what I'll usually have for lunch. I'm gonna have taco salads this week. So what I put in it is romaine, a cup of fresh spinach, some taco flavored beef, and then it will just be tomatoes, cucumbers, green onion, salsa, and then just like probably a tablespoon or so of sour cream. And so that will be my lunch. But I also packed, or I'm going to pack, is sort of like a dessert. I was tracking everything I was eating the last couple weeks, and I've noticed a ton of calories are going to cheese biscuits at work. So I tend to grab those, either that or a cookie. And so I wanted something just for that carb, that sort of sweets craving that I'll get after eating lunch or when I'm at work. And so I've put a couple tablespoons of raw, like the natural almond butter, and raw honey, just half a teaspoon of raw honey, and all into this little thing. And then I've taken half of a whole wheat English muffin, and I'm gonna take one of those with the peanut butter or almond butter honey and bring those as sort of like an after lunch type snack. So when I have those cravings, those sweets that I want, or if I'm really wanting those biscuits we make at work, then I'm gonna try and have one of these instead. And not that just the biscuits are, you know, white flour, margarine, all that stuff. So I'm trying to stick to as much of my whole healthy sort of foods as I can and stick to my macros as much as I can this week. So for suppers this week too, I wanted to just sort of stick with the same thing, make my life easier. I've been super busy with, I'm starting to train some people here, which is really exciting. And it's just definitely takes up a lot of time doing their programs, doing things, and I don't really want to have to worry about supper all the time. Lennon. Thank you. Now put these back in the Kleenex box. So I am having my honey mustard chicken. I made it the other week. It was on my Instagram. I'm gonna have that for supper every night. So I've just cut up lettuce. I have some turkey bacon cooked up. I have the dressing made up for it. And then I just have to cut up tomatoes and throw avocado in it when I make it at night. We don't have chicken breasts right now. John's grabbing some in Brandon tomorrow. But once I get those, I'll just bake up enough for the week. Oh, you're filming too? And that's what I'll have. For Lennon, I made a giant pot of chili. We have some of it in here, some of it's in the freezer, so she'll have that for daycares and maybe for some suppers. And then I also just have her, she loves soup, so we have some soups on hand. We have organic KD that she likes to eat. Well, it's not KD, it's mac and cheese, organic mac and cheese. We have crackers for you and fruit and all that good stuff. So we are basically prepped for the week, I think, hey?
We do, okay?
Yeah. Can you say bye, everyone?
Bye, everyone.